obsessed with lately for traveling is called NaSaDen, NaSaDen. So this is a spinner wheel NaSaDen luggage, 29-inch. The color is sky blue, as you can tell, and it's TSA lock abs. Perfect for men, women, kids, and it has 1-year warranty. Check out how beautiful this luggage is, you guys. It is so hard and it lasts long despite all the kicks and how they treat them. It's a TSA lock, and here you choose your own code and then you lock it. This color is called Sky Blue 000. Are you ready to check out how cool it is? La la la. Let's open it, see what's in here. Look how cool these details are. We got one hole here, got one more here, and then this is where I usually put all my shoes, in here. Perfecto. Very, very easy to carry around. Spinning wheel, perfect. Woo!